Hello everyone, this is Chris Presents. I'm on Michigan Avenue in downtown Chicago. This time is 3 p.m. on Monday, January 21st, 2019. So we're right between Huron and Erie, but we are right on Michigan Avenue. I'm just going to show you a little bit what's going on, the traffic. It's very, very cold right now. It's like 17 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels a lot colder. And that will be around 10 degrees below Celsius, and it feels more like 15 degrees below Celsius. And this is the day after the snowstorm we had. So we had a snowstorm on Saturday. This is 2 days after. I did 3 videos of that. You can look them up on my YouTube channel. And as soon as these buses leave, I'm gonna walk up a little bit towards Erie, so I can show you a little bit more that particular block as well. So again, this is North Michigan Avenue. We're right between Huron and Erie in downtown Chicago. It's very, very, very cold. And as soon as these buses leave, we'll move a little bit more this way. So I'm going to start moving. This is the 147 bus. So let's just move a little bit so I can show you more of North Michigan Avenue after the snowstorm. So it's not snowing anymore, but it's super, super cold. Like I said, it's like very, very cold. It's below 0 in Celsius. So this is North Michigan Avenue, and this is Erie and North Michigan Avenue. So I could show you a little bit the area, the buildings here. Beautiful architecture. And this is Erie Street, Erie and Michigan Avenue. As you can see, not too many people are on the street because of the cold conditions. It's not really safe to be here for a long time. That's why I'm going to stop the video shortly. So this is North Michigan Avenue in downtown Chicago. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Just click on the word subscribe. And I film all over the world. If you go to the playlist section of the channel, you can see all the different sections by category. You can see all the cities and countries that I filmed so far. But most of the videos, the majority of my videos are from Chicago and Cyprus, because I'm originally from Cyprus, but I've been in Chicago for 35 years, since 1983. So there are over 900 Chicago videos and over 700 Cyprus videos on the channel. So we're gonna make this a 5-minute video, so I'm gonna film a little bit more for 1 more minute because it's getting very, very cold. And today also it's a federal holiday here in the United States. It's Martin Luther King's birthday. That's another reason you don't see too many people on the street, but the main reason is because of the cold. But this is usually a very, very busy street where all the shopping is done in Chicago, and all the tourists are. So thank you everybody for watching. This is Chris Presents, and like I said, please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos. So thank you everybody for watching. This is a 5-minute video.